subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I am Shoel Azari and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you an amazing way to change a playing card. I found this technique while playing with the Stuart Gordon double lift, so if you don't know how to do a Stuart Gordon double lift, link is given in the video description so that you can check out the tutorial. If you know the Stuart Gordon double lift, it would help you do the card color change, otherwise any double lift is okay with it. So without any further ado, let's start our today's tutorial.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Tell me like a Hellcat.
Okay friends, so this is how the trick is done. First of all, you need to have a deck of playing cards. That's too much obvious, and you're going to have to do a double lift. You need to know how to do a double lift. You can do any double lift, but for this trick I would prefer you to do the Stuart Gordon double lift. If you don't know how to do a Stuart Gordon double lift, link is given in the video description. Check the link out, as well as you can find the link in the cards. So what you're going to do is right now is you're going to do a double lift. I'll do a Stuart Gordon double lift, and I'll just take these cards and I'll turn it over like this. So it looks like one card. I have actually turned over two cards. So that's the Stuart Gordon double lift, and I'm going to hold these cards like this with my three fingers like this. So with my thumb over here, then I'll be having this index finger over here and the middle finger over here. Just like this, I'm going to hold the card like this. I'm going to pinch down the card with my thumb and my middle finger, and with my index finger on the top to support both of the cards so that they don't slide anyway like this, and the spectator does not know that I've actually done a double lift. So first like this, then I hold the card just like this. Then again I'm going to do that same move, that Stuart Gordon double lift. I'm going to take both of these cards right now again, and I'm going to turn them like the Stuart Gordon double lift. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this edge drop on the top of the deck, aligning with this edge. So just like that, I have these fingers over here, and if I drop the card and I actually slide it to the edge, you will be able to see that the card is actually touching all the three fingers, and that's how the card is actually aligned with this edge. Now what you're going to do is you're going to notice that your thumb is over here. So at this point, when you wave over the card for the first time, what you're actually doing is you're sliding the bottom card under the cover of the top hand like this. Under this cover, you're just sliding the bottom card like this, and then you're going to just palm the card like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to allow this card to drop on the top. Then what you're going to do is you're going to drop this card on the top of it. So in actual mechanism, you can see that this card is coming over here and this card is coming on the top of it. So that's how you perform the color change. So if you look the entire action in the exposed view, this is what it would look like. First of all, you're going to do a double lift like this. Then again you're going to turn that card like this, and then you're going to drop it on your thumb with this finger supporting this side of the card. Then under the cover, what you're going to do is you're going to slide this card on the palm of this hand, and then you're going to drop that card on top of it. So that's how you do this card changing trick. You can also use this technique to vanish any playing card. For example, if you want to vanish this 9 of diamonds, what you're going to do is you're going to do like this, and after that you're able to vanish the 9 of diamonds from the top of the deck. To do this vanish, what you're going to do is you're not going to do any kind of double lift. You're going to use a single card, and you're going to take a break under the top card just like this. And then after that you're going to place this card faced up, and then you're going to take two cards like this. You have a card face down on the bottom of this card. So as you take two cards like this, you're going to do the Stuart Gordon double lift, but you're not going to turn the entire card over like this. You're going to turn the card like this way, the sideways. First, what I used to do in Stuart Gordon double lift is I used to turn the card like this, But in this case, if you turn the card like this, the spectators will see that there is another card on the bottom of this card. So what you're going to do is, you're not going to turn it like this, instead you're going to turn it like this. So from the front it should look like this. And as you do like this, you're dropping both of these cards on the top of your thumb, and then under the cover of this hand you're sliding this card up just like this, and after that you're letting this card fall, and then if you're dropping this card on top of it and you're squaring the deck up, it looks like the card has actually vanished, but it is right now in the second position. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing card changing trick. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at Shwel_Hazari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!